Forecasting the Trends, a guide to future predictions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, forecast the trends. This expression is not only widely used in business and technology but also in everyday conversation when talking about predicting future events or patterns. Let's unravel its meaning and learn how to use it effectively in our discussions. Forecasting is all about making predictions based on current and past data. It involves looking at the trends, which are directions or patterns that something is moving towards. When we forecast the trends, we're essentially trying to predict how these patterns will progress over time. It's like being a weather forecaster, but instead of predicting rain or sunshine, we predict the future behavior of markets, fashion, technology, or any other area with evolving patterns. Forecasting the trends is crucial for several reasons. It allows businesses to make informed decisions, helps economists predict economic conditions, and enables individuals to prepare for future changes. By understanding where a trend is heading, we can better position ourselves to take advantage of upcoming opportunities or mitigate potential risks. It's a skill that combines analysis, intuition, and understanding of the context to make educated guesses about the future. To forecast trends, you'll need to follow a few steps. 1. Gather data. Look at the current data and historical trends in the area you're interested in. 2. Analyze patterns. Identify patterns in the data. This could include increases, decreases, or cyclical patterns. 3. Consider external factors. Think about how external factors like economic conditions, technological advancements, or social changes might influence the trend. 4. Make predictions. Based on your analysis, make informed predictions about how the trend is likely to progress. Remember, forecasting isn't about making perfect predictions but rather making the best possible educated guesses with the information available. Let's look at some examples to illustrate how forecasting the trends works in real life. Business. A company might forecast trends in consumer behavior to decide which products to develop. Technology. Tech experts forecast trends in emerging technologies to predict the next big thing. Fashion. Fashion designers forecast trends to decide what styles will be popular in the coming seasons. These examples show how forecasting the trends is a valuable skill across different industries. And that's a wrap on forecasting the trends. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of being able to predict future patterns and how it can be applied in various aspects of life and work. Forecasting is a powerful tool for navigating the uncertainties of the future, and understanding how to do it can open up a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beautiful intricacies of the English language.